Also tell our viewers how should they be trading some commodities on the last day of 2012. Harish Galipelli of JRG joins in with his trading ideas. Afternoon, Harish. What would you advise traders to do with golds today?
I think bullion prices are largely consolidating, and I don't see any major trend emerging at this point in time. Now, if you look at recent past, I think both gold and silver are moving in sideways without any major direction. But undertone, if you look at, I think there is a constant accumulation in terms of gold holdings being held by be it ETFs or central banks. I think that undertone is still remaining quite strong. So I think as long as that trend continues, I think long-term dynamics of gold will be very strong. So overall, for the day, if you look at, I think after a recent weak sentiment, I think some kind of bargain buying is likely to emerge. So we are recommending to be on buying side as far as gold is concerned for a target of around 30,800 to 820 levels. One can enter around 30,680, 670 levels, and as far as stops are concerned, one can maintain below 30,610.
Right, Harish. And what about your views on silver?
Being the last trading day of the calendar year, I think market is likely to trade in a very sharp, thin range, and now even international markets are likely to close early today and tomorrow being the holiday. I think market movement is likely to be lackluster, though we are recommending to buy silver on dips, and as far as silver levels are concerned, I think somewhere in 58,000 to 58,200 would be a likely area that one should look at. As far as entry point is concerned, one should enter around 57,650 to 700 level, and stops can be maintained below 57,450.
And what about crude? What would you advise traders to do with that one today?
I think crude prices are once again testing an important resistance of around 91, 92 resistance area. I think daily close above 92 will only confirm the uptrend in crude prices. But if you look at current fundamentals, I don't see any major shift in fundamentals. Market is adequately supplied, and there's no disruptions in terms of supply, and the demand is as of now the near-term demand likely to be thin, though the better outlook of 2013 might support prices going forward. So overall, crude oil prices we are expecting the trend would be confirming above $92, and as far as today is concerned, we are again recommending to buy crude oil around 4,990, 985 kind of levels with a stop loss below 4,965. As far as targets are concerned, one should look forward for 5,040, 45 levels.
Right, and what about your views on copper?
I think copper prices, if you look at, have been again consolidating, but the undertone I think is pretty strong in copper, especially after the announcement of Chinese PMI data. I think last few sessions we were not finding any trigger to keep the prices up, but with positive PMI data, I'm sure copper and other base metals are likely to get supported, and we are recommending to buy copper around 440 levels with a stop loss below 438. As far as upside levels are concerned, I think initially one should look for 445 levels, and daily close and breach of this level would confirm further upward movement towards 448 or so.